What your baby doing? Daisy's starting to play with them more now. Aren't you, sweetie? What are you guys doing? Maggie and Goofy and Daisy. Oh. Oops. And Maggie did a roll. Maggie did a roll. Oh, they kind of stepped up too, didn't they? Didn't ya? Yeah. What you doing, Mama? Scared the babies. And the mama. Oh, getting spunky. Only one more day for Miss Maggie. What you guys doing? There's a Daisy May. What you guys doing over there? You're going on an adventure. I'm not going to make this very long so it doesn't take forever to upload. Turned up, babies.